From the people we interact with to the food we eat, culture is all around us. But over time, people's cultural history and identity can get lost within the mainstream culture. Associate Director of UW-Eau Claire's Office of Multicultural Affairs, Charles Vu, says the level of cultural awareness for the Hmong is absent in the Chippewa Valley community.
The big misunderstanding about why the Hmong people in America, particularly Eau Claire, and who are the Hmong? Next to that would be, what are the basic needs of the Hmong people?
According to the 2010 U.S. Census Bureau, the city of Eau Claire is home to more than 3,000 Hmong individuals among its 65,800 residents. Vu says everyone should be conscious of each other's needs to better understand each other's differences.
We all have basic need, and if we are not aware of someone else's basic need, we tend to overlook at them.
Assistant Professor in the Department of Education Studies at UW-Eau Claire, Kristen Dupau, says many non-Hmong members still don't understand why the Hmong came to the U.S.
Non-Hmong Americans may not be aware of the different role that the U.S. government played in not providing good support for newly settled refugees here in the U.S., so that a lot of families were disadvantaged by a lack of access to education or good jobs.
Public relations spokeswoman for UW-Eau Claire's Hmong Student Association, Ku Yang, says the organization hosts events for people to learn about their culture.
We want to provide mutual support for them and just to promote leadership skills for them. And then we also want to increase like diversity or like more Hmong students onto this campus.
The organization is hosting its 23rd annual Cultural Core event. Dupau says the event theme will focus on generation shifts.